Welcome back to Military News, your trusted source for the latest in global defense technology and battlefield innovation. If you're passionate about tanks, tactics, and tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're unveiling something truly next level, the Leopard A210, Germany's groundbreaking next-gen main battle tank set to debut in 2026. In the year 2026, the battlefield is evolving faster, smarter, and deadlier than ever before. And leading the charge into this new era of warfare... is the Leopard A210. Born from decades of German engineering excellence, the Leopard A210 is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. This isn't your grandfather's tank. This is the future in motion, where intelligence meets brute force, sleek, angular, minimalist. The A210's exterior speaks the language of stealth and strength. Its modular armor adapts to threats in real time, while its low radar signature keeps it hidden until it's too late. At its heart, the A210 houses a fully automated, unmanned turret equipped with a 130mm main gun that delivers unmatched kinetic power. Assisted by target tracking and smart munitions, this tank can lock, fire, and eliminate before the enemy even knows it's being watched. Inside, the crew of Just 2 operates from a secure digital cockpit shielded deep within the hull. Touchscreen interfaces, AR-enhanced vision, and AI co-piloting reduce human fatigue and increase combat awareness. And with its hybrid diesel-electric propulsion system, the A210 moves with unexpected Need air support? The A210 can deploy and coordinate with aerial drones on the fly. Need intel? Real-time data links feed battlefield updates straight into the tank's neural core. It doesn't just react, it anticipates. Germany's legacy of tank innovation goes back generations, from the fearsome Tigers of World War II to the dominant Leopard to south of the modern era. But the A210, it's not just part of that lineage, it's the moment that history turns the page. In a world where every second counts, where every decision must be precise, the Leopard A210 is not just ready for the future... It is the future, Leopard A210. Arriving 2026, silent, smart, unstoppable. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into future military tech, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and most importantly, subscribe to Military News for weekly videos that keep you ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next mission.